Hi everyone, and welcome back to TaskFord. Today, I will show you the simplest way to plan timelines and keep projects on schedule using the Gantt chart. This view in TaskFord is designed to give you a visual timeline of your project, so you can see what's going on and how each task connects. Let's get started.
To open Gantt View, simply switch to the Gantt tab inside your board. Here, you'll see your tasks displayed on a timeline, making it easy to understand when work starts, when it ends, and how everything connects together. On the left, you'll find your task list with key information such as assignee, status, start date, and due date. You can also hide or show more fields in this view. Just click the icon here and select the fields. On the right, you'll see the timeline where each task is represented by a bar. You can click directly on the timeline to schedule the task start date and due date, as well as assign a member or change status right in this view. This gives you both the details and the schedule in a single view. As your plans change, updating the schedule is simple. You can drag a taskbar to move it to a new date, or drag either edge of the bar to adjust the task duration. Changes are reflected immediately, helping you keep your project plan up to date. Many projects involve tasks that depend on one another. In Gantt View, you can create dependencies by connecting tasks together on the timeline. Just hover on a task edge. Drag and drop to another task edge to create dependencies between tasks such as start to finish, finish to finish, and finish to start. This helps ensure work happens in the correct sequence and gives your team better visibility into project flow. To identify the tasks that have the greatest impact on your project timeline, turn on Critical Path. TaskFord will automatically highlight the sequence of tasks that directly affects the project's completion date. This helps you focus on the work that matters most and spot potential delays before they become problems. As your project grows, finding information quickly becomes important. Use search to locate specific tasks. Apply filters to focus on the work that matters most. And use sort or group to organize tasks in a way that makes sense for your project. You can also customize the Gantt view to fit your workflow. Click Customize to rename the view. Enable or disable features such as auto-scheduling, critical path, and task names, or set the view as your default. You can even copy a direct link to share the view with your teammates.
And that's how to work with Gantt View in TaskFord. With timeline planning, dependencies, and critical path, Gantt View helps you keep projects organized and on schedule. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next TaskFord tutorial.